Assalamu alaikum students. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Hope you all are good and safe at home. I am your math teacher for class 3 from IOS School Systems. Okay, so I again welcome you all to the class 4 in session 2021-22. In previous classes, we have started chapter number 1, that is numeration and numeration. That is done on Tuesday. Okay, so today, inshallah, we are starting chapter number 2, addition and subtraction. Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, I'm giving you some instructions for you. Kindly follow the instructions strictly. Okay, so number 1 is don't raise hand during teaching. Ask questions at the end of the teaching. Use hand-free if you are using mobile and headphone for computer use. Number 4, feed your ID and password properly with your name and class. Number 5, take care of time for attending the class. Number 6, if there is any disconnectivity during the teaching, try to join again within 5 to 10 minutes. Number 7, you all must attend the class because 100% attendance is compulsory. Your attendance will be marked and please come with your original names. Okay, and last is keep all necessary things with you like stationery box, rough copy, textbook, etc. Okay, so chapter number 2, addition and subtraction. Topics of the day. Hope you all hear my instructions carefully. If you hear my voice clearly, then reply yes in chat box. Students, if you all hear my voice clearly, then reply yes in chat box. Okay, Anaya, thank you, Vita. Topic of the day. Today we are going to learn addition up to 6 and 7 digit numbers and subtraction up to 6 to 7 digit numbers. Okay, topic of the day are addition up to 6 to 7 digit numbers and subtraction up to 6 to 7 digit numbers. Example number 1. You know very well about addition and subtraction. You know very well about addition and subtraction. Okay, so example number 1, 6 digit. Okay, first of all, I'm going to teach you 6 digit numbers, and after 6 digit numbers, we are going to start 7 digit numbers. Okay, students, also open your books, page number 10. Students, open your books, page number 10. Okay, Reach, okay, Zanera. Open your books, page number 10. Okay, addition and subtraction, chapter number 2. Example number 1. This example is not from your book, this is just for your guidance. Okay, example number 1, 6 digit. Find the sum of how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6,69,702,154,789 and this. Okay, so arrange the digits of the data in columns and add as usual. First of all, you need to arrange these numbers in vertical form. This is vertical form and this is horizontal form. This is vertical form and this question is given in horizontal form. To add or subtract, first of all, you write it in vertical form in this way. Okay, first of all, this one, then this, and then this. Got it? Okay, after that start adding or subtracting from this side. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 5, 16. 6 here and 1 carry here. 8 plus 6, 14 plus 1 carry, 15. 1 carry here. 7 plus 7, 14 plus 4, 18 and 1 carry, 19. Here 1 carry. 9 plus 4, 13 plus 3, 16 and 1 carry of this 19 is equal to 17. 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 1, 12 and 1 carry 13. And now this one, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8 and this one carry 9. So your answer is 937956 and now this is 6 digit number. If you want to read it, how you read it? 9,37,956. Okay, so this is addendum, this is addendum, and this is addendum. The numbers that are add into each other are called addendums. The numbers that are add into each other are called addendums. Okay, addendum means the quantity or a number to be added. Addendum means the quantity or a number to be added. Means that these three numbers are add up into each other. These are called addendums, and the answer that comes after add these three is called sum. This is addendum, this is addendum, and this is addendum. What is addendum? Addendum means a quantity or a number. Look into your books, beta, page number 10. Addendum means a quantity or a number to be added. Okay, plural of addendum is addenda. What is the plural of addendum? Addenda. Okay, so these three are addendums, and when we add these three addendum, the answer that comes is called sum. In addition, when we add the numbers, the answer that comes is called sum. Okay, understand? If you all understand it, then reply yes in chat box. Addendum means the numbers that you add into each other. And what is the plural of addendum? Addenda. And what is sum? When we add these addendums into each other, the answer comes is called sum. Only in addition. Okay, beta. Anaya, Zunaira. Okay, beta. Okay, this is example number 2. Okay, so these are 6-digit numbers. In previous chapter, we have learned that in Pakistani place value chart, 6-digit number is read as lakhs, and international place value chart, 6-digit number read as answer me in chat box. An international place value chart, 6-digit number is, hurry up, students. Answer me in chat box. In Pakistani place value chart, 6-digit number is read as lakh. But international place value chart, 6-digit number read as no, Neha Ibrahim, beta. International place value chart, I'm talking about 6-digit number. International place value chart. International place value chart. Very good. Yes, 100,000. International place value chart, 6-digit number read as 100,000. And in Pakistani place value chart, 6-digit number read as lakh. But in 7-digit numbers, in Pakistani place value chart, 7-digit number read as 10 lakh. And international place value chart, 7-digit number read as million. In international place value chart. So, okay. Now, here you see. Start adding from this side. Okay, always we are adding or subtracting from right hand side. This is left hand side and this is right hand side. 4 plus 5, 9. 1 plus 8, 9. 4 plus 2, 6. These twos are addendums. When we add both of these addendums, our answer comes is called sum. Okay, so 5 plus 3, 8. 6 plus 2, 8, and 5 plus 3, 8. So your answer is 8,88,699. These two are addendum and this is sum. Very good, Fatma Gani, 100,000. Yes, beta, excellent. Okay, example number, this is all about 6-digit numbers. Now we come to 7-digit numbers. As I told you that in Pakistani place value chart, 7-digit number read as 10 lakhs. In Pakistani place value chart, 7-digit number read as 10 lakhs. So this is 7-digit number, 7-digit addition. Here we learned 6-digit addition and here is 7-digit addition. So starting from here, 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 5 plus 2, 7. Always remember that the number that add up into each other are called addendums, and the answer that comes after adding these numbers, that is called sum. Okay, this is sum. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 5 plus 2, 7. 4 plus 3, 7. Okay, 3 plus 5, 8. Now 100,000 are complete. Now comes to lakh house. 4 plus 2, 6, and 6 plus 2, 8. So your answer is 86 lakhs 87,787. 86 lakh 87,787. Okay, this is about 7-digit addition. Okay, okay, class. Now, this example is from your book, page number 10. Okay, okay, Zainab. Okay, beta. Okay, students. Example number 1 from your book, page number 10. Also open your books. Addition of 6 and 7-digit numbers. Here, example number 1. 56 lakh 72,000. Now tell me, this is Pakistani period. This is given in Pakistani or international way. Hurry up, students. Answer me in chat box. This is Pakistani or this is international way. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Tell me. Very good, Zainab Sheikh. Excellent, beta. This is Pakistani way, okay? Because these digits are grouped like 3, 2, 2. Okay? This is Pakistani way. Excellent. Very good, Huran. Very good, Zunaira. Excellent, beta. This is Pakistani way. Very good. Because these digits are grouped like 3, 2, 2. Okay, so 56 lakh 72,385, 24 lakh 3,679. We always adding or subtracting from this side, right hand side. So 5 plus 9, 14 here, 4 and this one here, carry of 4, 1 here, 8 plus 7, 15 plus 1, 16, 6 here and this one here, 6, 3, 9 plus 1, 10, 0 here and 1 here, 3 plus 2, 6, plus 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. 7 plus 0, 7. Now come to legs. 6 plus 4, 10, 0 here and 1 here. 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1, 8. So your answer is 80 lakhs 76,064 because at the 100 place what answer here is 0. Now I already told you that the number that add to each other are called addendums. Okay, these numbers are addendums. These numbers are addendums. But when the answer comes after adding these numbers is called sum. The answer that comes after adding these numbers is called sum, and your sum is 80 lakh 76,064. Now, addendum means the quantity or number to be added. Addendum means a quantity or a number to be added. Okay, plural of addendum is addenda. The example above has how many addenda? 2 addenda. Other sums may have many addenda. Sum here means total number. Sum means total number after adding 2 or more addenda. Is that clear? This is addendums. The sum is after adding. What is the sum? Sum is a total number after you adding addenda. Okay. Very good, Yashal. Very good, Alena, Zunaira. Excellent, beta. Yes, this is Pakistani way. Okay. Now, example number 2. Now, tell me how many of addendums are given here. Example number 2. Same page, page number 10. Students, girls, tell me, beta, how many addendums are given here? Very good, Zainab, Zunaira, Anaya. Excellent, Zainab. Very good, very good. Yes, Sunera, Arish, very good. 3. How many addendums are given here? 3 addendums. And what? When we add these 3 addendums, the answer that comes is called. Answer me, beta. When we add these 3 addendums, the answer that comes in addition is called sum. Very good, Anaya could be. Very good, beta. Excellent. Yes, Sunera, very good. Excellent, beta. So 9 plus 7. Plus 2, 18. So here 1 carry. Very good, Arish, Yashal, Alana. Yes, beta, this is sum. The answer, when we add addendums, the answer that comes is called sum. Very good. Okay, so 9 plus 7 plus 2, 18. Here 8 and here 1. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. 8 plus 3, 11 plus 1, 12. 2 here and 1. Now, first of all, tell me, this is Pakistani or this is international way? Students, first of all, tell me, this is Pakistani way or this is international way? Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, quick. Answer me in chat box. Students, Hurry up, tell me. Very good, Zainab. This is international way because these digits are grouped in 3, 3 and 3, so on. Okay, this is the identification of international way that digits are grouped in 3, 3. Very good. So here is question given in horizontal way. First of all, you write it in vertical way in this way, then you solve. So this is 18, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6, 8 plus 3 plus 1, 12. One borrow here. Okay, 8 plus 6, 14 plus 5, 19 plus 1, 22 here, 0 here, 9 plus 7, 16 plus 2, 18, 8 here, 1 here, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1, 8, and now comes to units, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000. This is million in 7-digit numbers. Very good, Alana, Zaira, Mustafa, Abtisam. Very good, excellent, beta. Yes, this is international way. Very good. So, in international way, 7-digit number read as. Hurry up, quick, tell me. In international way, 7-digit number read as. This is 7-digit number now. In international way, 7-digit number read as millions. Very good, millions. Excellent, excellent. Yes, Anaya, very good. Million. In international period, the place of 7-digit is million. Okay. So 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5. Your answer is 5,880,268. What is the sum? 5,880,268. This is called sum. Now, exercise 2.1. It's all about addition of 6 and 7-digit numbers. These are mixed questions. Students, listen to my instructions carefully. Very good. Yes, Alana. Yes, Dunera. This is million. Okay. So, open your books. Exercise 2.1, page number 11. Students, open your books. Exercise 2.1, page number 11. Hurry up, quick. Hurry up, hurry up. Okay, so you will do this exercise in your books by using pencil. You will do this exercise in your book by using pencil. Okay, always use pencils when you do work in your book. So here number 1 is solved for you. Okay, so starting from right hand side, first of all tell me that number 1 is written in international way or Pakistani way. Hurry up, reply me in chat box. Number 1 is international way or Pakistani way. Hurry up, tell me. This is international way, this is Pakistani way. Very good, Zainab. Very good, Fatma. Yes, this is international way. Yes, Abtisam. Very good, Zainab. Okay, so starting from right hand side, 6 plus 1, 7. These two questions are done just for your guidance or better understanding. You will solve these questions in your book by using pencil. Okay, don't do this work in your copy. Very good, Huran. Very good, Arij. You will solve these questions in your book by using pencil. 6 plus 1, 7. 5 plus 3, 8. 3 plus 2, 5. Now, 9 plus 3, 12 plus 1. Sorry, one carry here. 8 plus 6, 14 plus 1, 15. 5 here and 1 here. And 7 plus 5, beta, answer me in chat box. 7 plus 5, 13, 7 plus 5, 12 plus 1, 13. So 3 here. 4 plus 3, 7 plus 1, 8. So your answer is 8,352,587. What I told you that you will solve these questions in your book by using pencil. Okay? Is that clear? Okay, students. Now, number 5 is also, how many addendas are given here? Students, tell me that how many addendas are given here? How many addendas are given here in question number 5? 3. Very good, Zanera. No, Fatma beta. There are 3 addendas are given here and this is sum. So starting from here, 9 plus 3, 12 plus 5, 17. So 7 here and 1 here. 8 plus 1, 9. 7 plus 2, 9 plus 3, 12. 2 here and 1 here. 5 plus 2, 7 plus 3, 11 plus 1 carry. So here 11, 1 here and 1 here. 9 plus 2, 9 plus 2, 11 plus 8, 9 plus 2, 11 plus 8, 19, and this one. So it is total is 20. 0 here and 2 here. 2 plus 3, 5 plus 2, 7. Now come to million. This is also international period. Okay. So 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. This is all about exercise 2.1. Hope you all understand. Okay. You will solve these questions in your book by using pencil. Okay, Elena. Yes, there are 3 addendas. If you want to take a screenshot, beta, take it right now. Students, if you want to take a screenshot of exercise 2.1, take it right now. You will solve all of these questions in your book by using pencil. Okay. So part B is write these addenda in vertical form, then find the sum. Write these addenda in vertical form, then find the sum. Here I have solved 2 questions for you, just for your guidance. If you want to take a screenshot, take it. First of all, you will part B. Okay. Question number 2. Question number 2 and question number 7 I've solved for you. Okay. Now look at here carefully. If you want to take screenshots, take it. Write these addenda in vertical form, then find the sum, because these sums are given in horizontal way. First of all, you have to arrange it in vertical form. This is vertical form and this is horizontal form. To add or subtract, first of all, you need to arrange numbers in vertical form. This is vertical form and this is given in horizontal form. First of all, you arrange them in vertical form, then you add. So this is here we arrange in vertical form. Starting from here, this is Pakistani period or international period? Students, this is Pakistani way or international way? Hurry up, quick answer me in chat box. Very good, Zainab. This is Pakistani way. So 5 plus 0, 5, 7 plus 6, 12 plus 7 plus 7, 8 and 13. Okay, so 8 plus 5, 13, plus here 1 carry, 14. 7 plus 5, 12 plus 1, 3, 13. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1 carry, 6. 2 plus 2, 4 and 7 plus 3, 10. Okay, this is sum and these two are addenda. Here, now the next, if you want to take a screenshot of this question, hurry up, take it right now. Hurry up, students. Yes, very good. Yashal, Harish, this is Pakistani way. Now, another one is, this is international way, because here letters are grouped like 3, 3 and 3, so on. So again, this is question number 7. This is here. How many addendas are given in question number 7? Hurry up, reply me in chat box. How many addendas are given in question number 7? 3 addendas. Very good. So here, first of all, you write, here you see that these are 7-digit numbers, these are 6-digit numbers, and these are 5-digit numbers. So first of all, you write 7-digit numbers, then you write 6-digit number, and then you write 5-digit number. Okay. So first of all, we write 7-digit, then we write 6-digit, and then we write 5-digit. So 6 plus 2, 6 plus 6, 12, plus 2, 14, 4 here, 1 here. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 6, 12 plus 1, 13, 3 here, 1 here. 8 plus 5, 13 plus 2, 15 plus 1, 16, 6 here, 1 here. 5 plus 9, 14 plus 1, 15, 5 here, 1 here. 5 plus 3, 8 plus 1, 9. 4 plus 0, 4 and 3 here. So your answer is 3,495,634. Okay, 3,495,634. Okay, beta, got it. If you want to take a screenshot of these 2 questions, take it right now. Okay, students, now listen to me carefully. Part B, write these addenda in vertical form, then find the sum. You will solve this part in your fair copy. First of all, you make title page of chapter number 2, addition and subtraction. Got it? First of all, you make title page of chapter number 2, addition and subtraction. After that, you will write heading exercise 2.1, then you write part B, write question, then you solve 5 questions from this section. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, enough. Okay. First of all, arrange in vertical form, then you solve this part in your fair copy, only 5 questions. Okay. Now subtraction of 6 and 7 digit numbers. Here example number 1, 6 digit number. First of all, we are going to subtract 6 digit numbers. This is 6 digit form because here places are end up to lakhs. So starting from here, subtraction is also starting from right hand side. So 8 minus 7, 1. 9 minus 8, 1. 8 minus 5, 3. 9 minus 6, 3. 7 minus 4, 3. And 8 minus 2, 6. So your answer in subtraction, or look into your books, page number 10, example number 3. Okay. In subtraction, this is minute, this is subtrahend, and this is difference. After subtracting minute from subtrahend from minute, so the answer that comes is called difference. In addition, the answer that comes is called sum, and but in subtraction, the answer that comes after subtracting both of these numbers is called difference. Got it? In addition, the answer that comes after adding addendas is called sum, but in subtraction, after answer comes after subtracting these two is called difference. Is that clear? This is difference. Okay, so this is minute and this is subtrahend. Okay. So your answer is 6,33,311. This is all about example number 1. Now example number 2. Yes, Zunaira. Yes, that is difference. Now this is minute, this is subtrahend, and this is difference. Okay. Subtrahend is subtracting from minute. So when we subtract this number from this number, the answer that comes is called difference in subtraction. So this is also 6 digit numbers. So starting from here, 8 minus 7, 1, 9 minus 8, 1, 8 minus 5, 3, 9 minus 6, 3, 7 minus 4, 3, and 8 minus 2, 6. Your answer is 6,33,311. The answer that comes in subtraction after subtracting these two are called difference. Always remember, the answer that comes after adding the addendas is called sum, and the answer that comes after subtracting subtrahend from minute is called difference. This is example number 2. Okay, now the next is example number 7. This is all about 6 digit number, and this is 7 digit number. So you know that 7 digit number is called million. So here you are starting 9 minus 8, 1, 8 minus 5, 3, 7 minus 6, 1, 5 minus 4, 1, 4 minus 1, 3, 6 minus 2, 4, and 5 minus 3, 2. So your answer is 2,431,131. This is international period. Okay, these are subtrahend. Sorry, this is minute, this is subtrahend, and this is difference. Okay, in subtraction, the answer that comes after subtracting these two numbers is called difference. Okay, now this example is from your book, subtraction of 6 and 7 digit numbers. Okay. As I told you, this is minute, this is subtrahend, and this is difference. Okay. So 1 minus 0, 1. 5 minus 3, 2. 0 minus 9. Is it possible to subtract 0 from 9? No, in subtraction, the upper digits must be greater than subtrahend. In subtraction, minutes are upper digit numbers. In subtraction, upper digit numbers must be greater from lower digit numbers. But in case if upper digit numbers are lower, then you need to borrow from another number. Okay, if upper digit numbers are smaller, then you need to borrow from another number. So 0 is smaller than 9, so you need to borrow from 6. So when you 6 gives 1 borrow to it, 0, it will become 10, and here what remains? 5. So 10 minus 9, 1. Now this here remains 5. 5 minus 5, 0. Now here you see that 5 is smaller than 6, so again you need to borrow from 2. When 2 gives 1 borrow to this 5, it will become 15. So 15 minus 6, 9. And here 1 minus 1, 0. So 90,121. This is difference. Another example, find the difference when the minute is 80,72,398 and the subtrahend is 52,61,543. You know that minute is upper digit and the subtrahend comes after minute. Okay. This is minute and this is subtrahend. So 8 minus 3, 5. 9 minus 4, 5. Now you know that upper digit must be greater, but here 3 is smaller than 5. So what you need to do here, you take borrow from this 2. So when this 2 gives borrow to this 3, it will become 13. 13 minus 5, 8. And this is yes, Zunaira. Okay, so 1 minus 1, 0. Now 7 minus 6, 1. Here you see that 0 is smaller than 2. Again you need to take borrow from this digit here from left. So 10 minus 2, 8, and 8 minus, sorry, this 8 gives 102 here, that will become 10, and here what remain? 7. 7 minus 5, 2. This is difference, and your answer is 28 lakh 10,855. Okay. Now come to exercise 2.1 part C. Hurry up students, open your book, page number 12. You will solve this part in your books. Okay. But there is less space, so that's why I have solved here. You will solve this part in your book. If there is space, then you will solve in your book. Otherwise, you will solve 5 questions in your copy. Okay. If there is you need that there is less space for taking borrow or whatever, so you will solve these 5 questions in your copy. Okay. So here, first of all, you arrange it in vertical. Yes, this here example number 2 and number 2 is solved for you. Look at here, 9 minus 2. This is Pakistani period. This is international period. Hurry up, come on, tell me. Hurry up, quick, quick. Hafsa, wait for the home task, beta. Very good, international way. This is 7 liters international way. So 9 minus 2, 7. 2 is smaller than 4, so you need to take borrow from this one. So 3, when 3 gives borrow to it, it will become 12, and here what remains? 2. So 12 minus 4, 8. 2 minus 1, 1. Now here 7 is smaller than 8. 7 takes borrow from this 4. When this 4 gives 1 borrow to it, it will become 17, and here what remains? 3. 17 minus 8, 9. 3 minus 3, 0. 6 minus 5, 1. And 5 minus 4, 1. So your answer is 1,109,187. This is difference, this is minute, and this is subtrahend. If you will solve this question in neat and clean way in your book, then you will solve these in your book. But if you know that their space is less, then you will solve only 5 questions from this section in your copy. Is that understand? Now this chapter today we are here we end into part C. Inshallah, next class we will continue part D of this chapter. Today's lesson is end here. So now I'm going to sharing home task to complete exercise 2.1 part A in book with pencil, page number 11. Part A, exercise 2.1 in your book with pencil. Exercise 2.1 part B, first of all you arrange them in vertical way, then you solve it in your copies. Only 5 questions. Okay. 2.1 part B in your fair copy, 5 questions. Exercise 2.1 part C in your book. If you know that there is a space, then you will solve in your book in clean way. Otherwise you will solve 5 questions of part C in your copy. Okay. This is all about today's home task. Today's lesson is end now. If you have any problem, any question, any inquiry, you will ask me. Okay, this is all about today's lesson. Inshallah, we will meet in next class. Till then, take care and Allah Hafiz.